blizzards. Winds are around 35 miles per hour and last for at least three hours. So it's a long time. 3 hours. Just 35 mile per hour winds, just going like really fast, like fast enough to knock all the stuff down like this. I ain't gonna get down. Just remote. Just knock all that down. Yeah. All right. That's one fact. Another fact would be hypothermia is another common thing to occur during blizzards. To stay warm, it is recommended if you're stuck in a blizzard to build a snow cave to block the winds. Kinda. Yeah, so a snow cave to block the winds. That'll really help keep you warm and insulated until the blizzard is over. Like kinda like in these sheets, kinda real warm. Alright. Fact number 3. Blizzards are usually formed when a jet stream pitches very far south. This allows the cold air that comes from the north to collide with warm air coming from the south. Alright. So let's see. For instance, try to get an example together. Alright. This will be your wind coming from the north. This will be your wind coming from the south right here. They collide with each other. Boom. And that is how you get a blizzard. Wait, hold up. Very far south. Let me rephrase this. Hold on, let me. All right. So you got your warm air coming from the south. I mean, like jet stream fast, like super fast. You know? Runs into your north wind, and it creates blizzards. Blizzards. Oh wait, I had something for this. It's that ice all the way from Alaska. Y'all ain't ready for this. Blizzards. Ice cubes. Blizzards. Alright. Now, final fact. During a blizzard, visibility is reduced almost to 0%. Visibility is so low. When you step outside, that's all you're gonna see. White. Snow. Can you imagine that? Just stare at the screen. That sucks. I know it does. Sucks. Alright. And this wraps up my blizzards video. Hope y'all like it. I'll be bringing ice tomorrow. It's Alaskan ice. That's why I have it. It's just not regular ice. For real though, it's special. I'm gonna bring samples to show. If I don't bring samples, it's probably because I'm not here. But thank you for watching, and have a good morning to everyone. Dun, 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 dun.